Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Toner Cartridge is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining the smooth operation of your printer, ensuring crisp, clear documents and vibrant images every time you print, and today we're diving deep into what makes a toner cartridge truly stand out from the crowd, separating the good from the great, and helping you make an informed decision for your printing needs. Number 5. True Image 26A Compatible Toner for HP LaserJet. Experience crisp, clear prints with our compatible toner cartridges. Designed for reliability, they offer exceptional performance for your everyday printing needs. Get more done with an impressive page yield of 3,100 pages per cartridge at 5% coverage. This means fewer replacements and more value for your money. These cartridges are designed to work seamlessly with a range of HP LaserJet Pro printers, including models like the M402 and M426 series. Enjoy hassle-free installation and operation. This pack includes 2 black toner cartridges, ensuring you always have a backup ready. Keep your printer running smoothly without interruption. Our toner provides consistent, high-quality black output for all your documents. Trust it for professional-looking results every time you print. Achieve excellent print quality without the premium price tag. These compatible cartridges offer a smart and economical choice for your printing supplies. What we like. This option comes in a convenient 2-pack, offering a standard page yield. If you're a home user with moderate printing needs or looking for a budget-friendly solution, this is a great choice. It provides reliable performance without breaking the bank. What people say. The toner cartridge provides crisp and clear prints, making documents look professional. Installation was straightforward and the cartridge was recognized immediately by the printer. The page yield is impressive, lasting significantly longer than previous cartridges I've used. Number 4. True Image CF226X26X Toner Cartridge, 2-pack. Get more done with our high-yield toner cartridges. Each pack is designed to deliver exceptional value, ensuring you get the most out of your printing. Experience sharp, clear black text with every print. Our toner ensures professional quality results for all your documents. These cartridges are designed for seamless compatibility with a range of HP printers. Enjoy hassle-free installation and reliable performance. With an impressive yield of 9,000 pages per cartridge at 5% coverage, you can print with confidence. This means fewer replacements and more productivity. Trust True Image for consistent, reliable performance. Our toner cartridges provide the quality you expect for your HP printer. This package includes 2 high-yield toner cartridges. You'll have a backup ready to go, minimizing downtime. What we like. This is a 2-pack of high-yield cartridges, offering significantly more pages per cartridge. If you print frequently for your business or a busy household and want to minimize replacements, this is the ideal pick. You'll save time and potentially money in the long run. What people say. The print quality is sharp and consistent, delivering dark, crisp text and detailed graphics. The output is comparable to the OEM cartridge. Smudging and streaking are minimal, ensuring clean and professional results. With a high yield of approximately 9,000 pages, this cartridge lasts significantly longer than a standard 26A version, which prints about 3,100 pages. Installing the cartridge is straightforward. It fits perfectly into compatible HP printers without any errors or complications. There's no need for additional adjustments, just plug and print. Number 3. Aztech 4-pack Compatible Toner Cartridge Replacement for HP 26X. Introducing the Aztech 4-pack Compatible Toner Cartridges. Designed for high-quality printing, these cartridges offer excellent results for your everyday needs. Each cartridge boasts an impressive page yield of 9,000 pages. This means you can print more without worrying about frequent replacements. These are compatible with a range of HP Pro printers, including the M402 and M426 series. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing device. Experience high performance with every print. Our cartridges are engineered to deliver crisp, clear text and vibrant graphics, ensuring excellent results every time. Choose a reliable and cost-effective solution for your printing needs. This 4-pack ensures you always have a replacement ready, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. What we like. Get a fantastic value with this 4-pack of high-yield cartridges. If you have a high-volume printing environment or want to stock up and ensure you always have a replacement on hand, this is the most economical option. It's perfect for offices or power users. What people say. The toner cartridge is easy to install and produces crisp, clear prints. This toner cartridge offers excellent print quality, with vibrant colors and sharp text. The high page yield of this toner cartridge means fewer replacements and more printing. Number 2. Aztech 2-pack compatible toner cartridge for HP 26A26X. Introducing the Aztech 2-pack compatible toner cartridge. Get reliable printing performance for your HP LaserJet printers. Each cartridge offers an impressive high page yield of 3,100 pages. This means fewer replacements and more printing for you. Designed to work seamlessly with a range of HP LaserJet Pro printers. Ensure compatibility with models like the M402 and M426 series. Experience high-quality printing with excellent results every time. Our toner ensures sharp text and clear images for all your documents. Trust in the consistent and reliable performance of our compatible toner. It's a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. Enjoy hassle-free installation with these easy-to-use cartridges. Simply replace your old toner and continue printing without interruption. What we like. This 2-pack offers a standard yield, ensuring dependable printing for everyday tasks. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable option for general office or home use and don't need the absolute highest page count, this is a solid choice. It balances cost and performance well. What people say. The toner cartridge is easy to install and produces crisp, clear prints. This toner cartridge offers excellent print quality, with vibrant colors and sharp text. The high yield of this toner cartridge means fewer replacements and more printing time. Number 1. Aztech 4-pack compatible toner cartridge for HP 26A. Introducing the Aztech compatible toner cartridge, designed to seamlessly replace your HP 26A. Get reliable printing performance with this essential office supply. This package includes 4 black toner cartridges, offering a standard yield of CF226A. You'll have plenty of ink for all your printing needs. Experience an impressive page yield of 3,100 pages per cartridge. This ensures you can print more without frequent replacements, based on standard letter A4 coverage. Our cartridges are compatible with a range of HP LaserJet Pro printers, including the M402N, M402DN, M402DW, and MFP M426 series. Enjoy hassle-free installation and use. Achieve high-quality printing with excellent results every time. These cartridges are engineered to deliver crisp text and clear images for professional documents. What we like. This 4-pack provides standard yield cartridges, offering convenience and a good supply for regular printing. If you prefer to buy in larger quantities to avoid frequent purchases and have a consistent need for printing documents, this is a practical selection. It's suitable for small offices or frequent home users. What people say. The toner cartridge is compatible with my printer model and prints clearly. The ink density is good, producing sharp and vibrant text. The installation process was straightforward and hassle-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.